Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you are trying to avoid adding more sugar to an already sweet dessert, try adding a flavor-appropriate thickening agent to your frosting. These thickening agents include cornstarch, gelatin, cream cheese, cocoa powder, cold heavy cream, tapioca, arrowroot starch, flour and even butter.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The cool air will harden the fats in the cream cheese and butter, and make the icing thicker. If the cream cheese is still too soft after 1 hour, leave it in the fridge for a further 30 minutes. If the cream cheese frosting gets too hard, simply leave it at room temperature to soften.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Steps. Chill the frosting to thicken it without adding more ingredients. Use powdered sugar to easily thicken the buttercream frosting. Add cornstarch in 0.5 teaspoons (2.5 milliliters) increments to thicken sweet frosting. Mix 1 US tablespoon (15 milliliters) of butter into the frosting to thicken it without altering the taste.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.